This is a 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. All of the following features are included: aluminum wheels, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a bed liner, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, a multi-function display, and this vehicle has less than 72,000 miles. This Chevrolet has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.